Hi guys, Alec, Peirce at the ranch with a little tip. Might be good for you. I don't know if you've seen these before, but I love this little thing. It's been working great for me. I sort of bought it on a whim, but now I'm so glad I did. This is a battery-powered screwdriver, I guess, a driver. This one's from DeWalt, but almost every one of the big major manufacturers makes them simple. Battery-powered, got a little battery in the bottom, little charger. Make sure you get a second battery with it. And basically, what it does, two things that are fantastic. The first one is, as soon as you press the button, you get a light so you can see what you're doing. Often you're working in the dark or on a machine or something at night maybe, and trying to screw something. Nothing's better than an LED light when you press it. Secondly, you can use this to drive anything. You can use it to drive screws, which is really, I guess, what most guys use it for. But I have found it really, really handy for driving wrenches. If you're assembling or disassembling something, pick up a little adapter, the 1/4" drive or 3/8 drive adapter, and taking things apart, putting them back together, take apart, put them back together. They're just great. I find it so easy. Once you break a bolt, nut, then you can easily take it apart. Saves a lot of time. Okay, let me just quickly explain. You already saw how it works there. It's pretty neat. So you fit a bit in, standard, whatever it is, I think it's 1/4" drive, just snaps in. Now it won't come out, which is great, right? So if you have to put a screw in the wall, you put it into the screw and then turn. See? Not turning, turn to the right, just as if you're screwing it in. You want to taking something out, turn to the left. The more you turn, faster it goes. It's that easy, and it's incredibly strong. So I found it very easy. And for machinery, if you have a case of some sort of cover with, I don't know, 6, 10, 15 screw bolts in it, comes out much, much faster. Now this won't come out now unless you lift the knurled section, and it pops right out. So it's really handy. It also has, I just noticed again, I'd forgotten about that, it also has torque settings on here from 1 to 16 and max. If you're not used to the pistol grip, which I am, I really enjoy, you can turn it into a screwdriver, or if you're getting into a tight spot. Now the real reason I wanted to do this little video is not so much the tool, because you can read about these anywhere. I just wanted to indicate that I've really enjoyed it. It's been good. I don't know if one brand is better than the other, that's up to you. But holding the darn thing, you don't want to lay it around, it'll disappear. If you have kids and neighbors like me, because it's so handy. They're not thieves, they're just borrowers. And also you'll misplace it. So I wanted to get a holder, so it would be really, really handy, but out of the way. So I went and I got a 2-inch, can you see this, Diana? I got a 2-inch piece of, this is actually a fitting for built-in vacuum. But any 2-inch piece of ABS pipe would work really, really well. I put 2 holes in the back and holes in the front so I could reach through with a driver, fasten it to the wall nice and solidly, and just drops right in there. Now, I discovered after a while, I came in one day and I had it in the holder and the light was on. And the reason is very simple. When you drop it in there, the pipe that you're using, with this brand anyway, maybe other brands it wouldn't happen, but with this brand, when you drop it in there, it pushes the trigger. The minute you push the trigger, the light comes on. So I didn't want that. So what I had to do on this one edge, I had to file it off. So when I drop it in there, now the light doesn't come on. If I drop it in over here, you see the light comes on. Starts to run, dude. Not good. So I drop it right there, and there's no light. It'll go off in 1 second. Anyway, that's it, guys. Great little tool. I'm really enjoying it. I have really enjoyed it. And simple way to hold it, reach out, put it back. Those sound effects are completely free. Anyway, maybe there's an idea in there for you guys. Alec, Peirce at the ranch. Take care. Bye-bye.